Welcome to Take Charge with Dr. Chichi, where nurses take control, break barriers, and build a future of financial freedom and career success. Whether you're burned out, ready to level up, or looking for the blueprint to thrive, you're in the right place. It's time to lead, grow, and win because your future starts now. Here's your host, Dr. Chichi.
Welcome to Take Charge with Dr. Chichi. Today, we're shining a light on a type of burnout many people never talk about. The burnout hidden behind productivity, competency, and the need to be strong for everyone else. This episode may be the permission someone has been praying for. Silent burnout doesn't look like collapse. It looks like strength. But on the inside, something is quietly breaking. We're going to talk about silent burnout, the burnout that hides behind the smile and high performance. So, what is silent burnout? Silent burnout is masked burnout. You're performing well, functioning, meeting expectations, while internally you're deteriorating. You show up for everyone except yourself. You're exhausted emotionally, but still delivering physically. This isn't failure. It's just your soul crying for alignment. Silent burnout is dangerous because it tricks you into believing you're okay until something falls apart. So, what are the signs of silent burnout? You are physically present, but mentally disconnected. You have automatic smiling, operating on autopilot, feeling invisible, irritation over small things, emotional flatness or numbness, guilt when resting. I mean, you shouldn't feel guilty when you're resting, but in this case, you're feeling guilty while you're resting. Or you might sleep and wake up really, really tired. Sometimes you avoid conversations, prevent breaking down. So silent burnout whispers before it screams. So why are high achievers struggling? Struggled with silent burnout because they are raised to be strong. They carry the community and family expectations. They don't want to disappoint anyone. They tie identity to performance. Rest feels unsafe, and they believe everything will fall apart if they stop. Sometimes the strongest thing you can do is not push, but pause. Just pause. So the steps you can take when you need to pause are, first of all, name what you feel. You gotta be feeling something. Name that, and then take a radical pause. And delegate one thing. I mean, like I said, I've experienced burnout, and sometimes I just have to take this radical pause. No, because you've been through burnout doesn't mean you're immune to it. It's something that might occur frequently, but you have to learn how to take charge. So I said the three steps are you name what you feel, you take a radical pause, and then delegate one thing. So let's break it down. So name what you feel. Silent burnout thrives in silence. Feeling when you're about to heal or when you know you want to heal, the healing begins with naming your truth. You have to name the truth. Like saying, I am tired. There's nothing wrong with that. I am overwhelmed. I need help. I need rest. Even God Himself cannot heal what He pretends does not hurt. When it's hurting, that's when you know you need help, and it's good to name it. Step two is take a radical pause. Radical pause is not laziness, it's not. It's spiritual alignment. Even Jesus rested. Even machines reset. Sometimes your cell phone might stop functioning the way it's supposed to function, and you have to reboot it. Your computer sometimes might not function the way it's supposed to function, and you just have to reboot it. for you to start working again. So there's nothing wrong with taking 2 minutes of silence. There's nothing wrong with a walk without your phone. There's nothing wrong with you canceling one draining task or even breathing without guilt. You breathe, have a deep breathing without guilt. Peace is a strategy, not a luxury. Step three, the third step is delegate one thing. Silent burnout thrives in I can handle it, like you feel like you can handle everything. So healing begins in I don't have to do everything. You cannot be jack of all trades. You don't have to do everything. So delegation is not releasing responsibility, it is releasing weight. So I want us to reflect. Let's reflect. You need to ask yourself, where have I been pretending that I'm okay? Where have you been pretending that you're okay? What mask are you wearing or am I wearing? Let me ask myself, what mask am I wearing? Or you ask yourself that too. What part of me is asking to be healed? And what can I release this week? Most of the time, the silent burden often grows in financial fear. When you scared that you're not going to be able to handle your bills or your responsibility financially, and you get stuck in that environment that is burning you. So always ask yourself, is money pressure keeping me stuck? What financial boundaries will create peace? Where can I simplify or restructure financially? Financial clarity is emotional freedom. So I want us to reflect on all these questions because this is what is going to help you with your silent burnout. So I just want to thank you for watching this episode. Share this episode with a colleague or with a friend or family member who needs it. I want to let you know that burnout doesn't have to define you. It can refine you. Don't forget to subscribe to Take Charge with Dr. Chichi for more inspiring conversations about resilience, leadership, and purpose. And then also, I just want to thank you all once again for logging in. Silent burnout is real, but so is your breakthrough. It is real, but your breakthrough is also real. So you are not weak. You are not failing. You're not alone. You are being rebuilt. Your comeback will be greater than your breakdown. So keep rising, keep resting, and keep taking charge with Dr. Chichi. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching.
Take Charge with Dr. Chichi is a brand of Sparkling Star Development Strategies LLC. The information provided is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, legal, or medical advice. Financial services are offered independently by Dr. Chichi in accordance with applicable licensing and regulatory standards. Thank you for watching.